Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So let's just first look at the daily from yesterday, and this is significant. That pin bar is massive. Okay, so if we look at this, your tail here is a good 500 point tail. Okay, so yes, we had this bullish bar, and we've had sort of another a bearish bar here inside pattern. Then we had another bearish bar, and we were down quite a bit yesterday, and we did fall short of the level. I would have expected us to come down to this 34.30 area. We did fall short of it. So at the moment, what we're looking for is opportunities to get in on this, and we are looking for that sort of forming a new high, which has already happened. Okay, so let's just get back down a little bit so we can get the bigger picture. The trend is up. There's no debate about that. This trend is strong at the moment, and there's definitely going to be a second push as far as I'm concerned for the all-time high. 35.88 is what I'm looking for. Okay, if you look at the 3 hour, there's a couple of things that we need to pay attention to. First one is that trend line has not broken as of yet. Okay, so that's the first thing that we need to pay attention to. And then the second thing that we need to pay attention to is this area here of 34.89 or 34.90 more likely. So 34.90 is, you can see the sellers are sitting here. We are on the moving average. Moving average is flat. That's always an indication that we're going to enter into some form of a range. But personally, I think with the strength of the bounce off the bottom here, and it wasn't exact. It basically, if you look at these 3 tail or 4 bars here, that was the level that was chosen. Now if I come across, you can see there's another 4 bars here, and then we've got a number of closing there. I think that's pretty much it. So it was a level, not one that I would have picked, because I would have been looking for the fractional level. So that's basically what transpired there. If we look at the hour at the moment, pretty strong move up. We have made a higher high. Okay, so we're above the higher high. We're busy with a little bit of a sell-off at the moment. Personally, I don't think it's that much to be worried about. This is an Asian session. So we are basically coming back to test this breakout here. Okay, so 34.81 is what I want to hold, because that coincides with the moving average as well. So if that level can hold, then we'll be looking for opportunities to buy into this. Expect a bit of resistance on this trend line around 35.05, 3500 area, nice round number. And then a break of that, I'd expect us to target at least the highs of the week. The other thing to bear in mind is the weekly bar at the moment, just get rid of the noise, is pretty much a range bar. So, you know, if the bulls want to gain control of this move still, they're going to need to get this to close up higher. So it is a higher at the moment, but we need a body of a close higher than last week's close. So that is probably the big thing that we need to pay attention to. And you can see prices right there at the moment on the weekly close, sorry, on the weekly high. Okay, so you can basically bargain on that area there being your line in the sand right now. Okay, so that's 34.82. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Lastly, on the 15 minutes, there is your channel. Just move it down a bit. There we go. That is your current channel at the moment. So this level holds of 34.82, then I'd expect more upside coming. Okay, and as I say, the trend is up. I have no intention of shorting this. As soon as the market starts moving into negative territory, the Fed step in and start buying. So as far as I'm concerned, it's a buy the dip market, and that's what I'll continue doing. Anyway, sorry, last thing here is this little so we had a bit of a range there with a dip below. Probably more likely like that now. So that is a consolidation pattern. This was a strong move up, fairly strong consolidation. A, B, C, now we're moving up. So start breaking above these highs. Well, this high here of 35.31, you have those targets in place, and the first one is going to be right there at 35.71, and then the second one will be the actual high itself around 35.88. Okay, and in that zone we'll have to wait and see what transpires. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.